Hi, my name is Lauren Spinetta. I'm from Austin, Texas, but I go to Princeton University.
Hi, my name is Trina Swanson. I'm from Sioux City, Iowa in America, and I also go to Princeton University. And we have just completed our 8 weeks with Elective Africa at Levolosi Health Center in Arusha, Tanzania. And it's been an amazing time.
It's really been a great time. I can't believe it's already over. So we started 8 weeks ago. The process kind of started way before 8 weeks ago with Elective Africa reaching out and doing all the planning parts of it. We had a lot of Skype calls as to like what to bring and that type of stuff.
And we arrived at Kilimanjaro Airport, and Richard and Fabian and Peter were there to pick us up, and they were so wonderful.
When we first got here, literally the next day, we went into Levolosi Health Center where we've been working for the past 8 weeks, and we had a half day, and then after that we had a cultural exposure / around the city type of day where Peter drove us around, and we also walked around Arusha.
I was really excited to start this internship. It gave us really hands-on experience in a clinical setting, and we both want to be doctors. We're currently undergraduates. From the first couple of weeks, I was in the minor theater, which we saw a lot of patients who came in for stitching, for dressing wounds, and I saw some patients that had really bad wounds.
And for the past 8 weeks, I've exclusively been working in the labor ward. Obstetrics is not something I ever really would have considered before when thinking about what type of doctor I'd want to be, but it was, and it has been, an amazing experience. I've seen so many births, even though I'd never seen a birth before coming here. And I've actually gotten to deliver a baby, and I love the fact that the nurses were they would teach you how to do things, and the other volunteers would teach you, and you'd learn a lot, and then you would be able to go do that yourself. So that was really one of the best parts about the internship, and also just the exposure to at Levolosi they do a lot of C-sections, so that was also one of my favorite things, was to be in the C-sections, to receive the baby and just be a part of that.
And the nurses and the doctors at Levolosi were so wonderful. They were so welcoming, such good teachers, so patient with us. And Arusha has just been a wonderful place to be too. We've had such fun times outside of the hospital as well.
Yeah, I'd say our experience is definitely, there's like the hospital side of it, and then there's the everything else side of it. We've done so many things, starting off with day one going to the Maasai market. We also did a coffee tour. Then we took a 4-day trip / a 12-hour bus ride to Mwanza, which is on the other side of the country.
It's where Lake Victoria is.
On Lake Victoria. We saw some crocodiles. That was a really great experience. And then we've done a 4-day, 3-night safari.
That was amazing. We saw so many animals.
We saw the big five.
We stayed in a tent and were surrounded by a pack of hyenas during the night, but it was amazing. It was so fun.
Awesome.
So that's been cool to meet volunteers from all over the world. And it's just also been cool to get to know all the Tanzanians. Yeah. One of my favorite things is everybody says pole all the time, which is kind of like saying sorry, but it's more than that. So you say pole kwa kazi, sorry for your work, or pole kwa kusafiri, sorry for your travel. But it's just like this way of connecting with others and really feeling for them, and just this like welcoming atmosphere of, I don't know, it's wonderful. I love it. Overall, it's just been a great experience. Everybody at Elective Africa has been great.
Yeah, we really love Fabian, who's been our on-the-ground coordinator. We joke that he's our mom because he's always bringing us stuff, and we're always texting him like, Fabian, we need this, Fabian, we need that.
We need water, there's no Wi-Fi, fix my mosquito net.
So he's been amazing, just always super attentive. Our cook, Harriet, has been amazing. We love having conversations with her. She makes excellent food. We've had way too much food.
Our bellies can testify to that.
And then also, Peter and Richard and Justina, she worked with us in the planning process before we came, and then also we met her at the start, and then she's just been here at the end. We really love Justina.
Fluorescent Apartments, where we stay, is so luxurious.
It's really
and
nice.
great.
It's got a great view of the mountain, Mount Meru, and I always come up to the roof and like watch the sunset. So it's really great. And Arusha is a super, super safe town. I walk to work every morning, and I also walk home from work. No problems. Overall,
It's been great.
it's been amazing. Or at least I think we both definitely recommend doing a program with Elective Africa. It's crazy. I've never been to Africa, so this is such an amazing first experience, and I definitely want to come back.
Yeah, Asante Sana,
Yeah,
Elective
Asante
Africa.
Sana, Elective Africa.